My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the BSc second semester subject Programming in C++ as prescribed by Osmania University and other universities of Telangana. We will go through the important questions and answers one by one. Let's begin with a quick revision. Tip for students, easy to remember. For short questions, focus on functions, references, expressions, arrays, inline. For long questions, focus on data types, control structures, arrays, binary bubble, OOP concepts. Unit 1 first important short question is: discuss C++ expressions with syntax and examples. In C++, an expression is a combination of variables, constants, operators, and functions that gives a single value when calculated. Expressions are used in calculations, assignments, conditions, etc. Syntax. Result is equal to A plus B asterisk C. Here, A plus B asterisk C is an expression. It follows operator precedence, multiplication first, then addition. Types of expressions. 1. Arithmetic expression uses plus, asterisk. Int C is equal to A plus B. 2. Relational expression gives true-false. AB or X is equal to Y. 3. Logical expression uses and, vertical bar. If A10 and B5. 4. Assignment expression assigns value. X is equal to Y plus 5. Example program. Hash include IOStream. Using namespace std. Int main. Int A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, C. C is equal to A asterisk B plus 2 expression, 5 asterisk 3 plus 2 is equal to 17. Count result is equal to C. Return 0. Easy trick, just remember, expression is equal to meaningful calculation. Next important short question is: to explain inline function with a program. An inline function in C++ is a small function where the code is directly inserted at the place where it is called, instead of jumping to the function body. It helps to speed up the program by saving time spent in function calls. Use inline keyword before the function. Syntax. Inline return type function name, parameters. Function code. When to use? Use it for short functions like addition, square, or multiplication. Example program. Hash include IOStream. Using namespace std. Inline int square, int kiss smiley. Return x asterisk x. Int main. Int A is equal to 4. Count square is equal to square, A, no function call, code is inserted here. Return 0. Output. Square is equal to 16. Tip to remember, inline is equal to insert the line directly where it's used. It makes the code faster for small functions. Next important short question is: 3. Define function overloading. Write a program to illustrate the same. Function overloading means using the same function name for multiple functions that perform similar tasks but have different parameters. C++ decides which function to run based on number or type of arguments. Why use it? To make code simple and readable. No need for different function names like addInt, addFloat, etc. Example. Hash include IOStream. Using namespace std. Int add, int A, int B. Return A plus B. Float add, float A, float B. Return A plus B. Int main. Count sum of integers, add 2, 3, NDL. Count sum of floats, add 2.5f, 3.5f. Return 0. Output. Sum of integers 5. Sum of floats 6. Easy trick, same name, different game. Function overloading helps you reuse the function name smartly. Next important short question is 4. What is a reference variable? Explain with example. A reference variable is just another name for an existing variable. It does not store new data but refers to the same memory location. It is created using the and symbol during declaration. Syntax. int x is equal to 10. int and ref is equal to x. Ref is a reference to x. Now, changing ref will also change x because both refer to the same value. Example program. Hash include iostream. Using namespace std. int main. int a is equal to 5. int and b is equal to a. B is a reference to a. b is equal to 10 changes a also. Count a is equal to a ndl. Count b is equal to b. Return 0. Output. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 10. Easy tip, reference means nickname for a variable. It helps in function parameters, swapping, and memory-efficient code. Next important short question is 5. Write a C++ program to pass an array to a function. In C++, we can pass an array to a function to perform operations like sum, search, or sort. Arrays are always passed by reference, so changes in the function affect the original array. Syntax. Void function name, data type array name, int size. Example program. Hash include iostream. Using namespace std. Void display, intr, int size. For int I is equal to 0, I size, I++. Counter, I. int main. int numbers, 5, is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Count array elements are. Display, numbers, 5, passing array to function. Return 0. Output. Array elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Easy tip, just send the array name, like numbers, it acts like a pointer. This helps to reuse the same function for any size array. Next Unit 1. Long questions. First important long question is: explain different data types available in C++ in detail with example of each. In C++, data types are used to tell the compiler what kind of data a variable will store. Each variable must be declared with a data type before use. 1. Basic primitive data types. 1. int used to store whole numbers, positive or negative. Example. 2. int age is equal to 20. 3. Float used to store decimal numbers, single precision. Example. 4. Float weight is equal to 65.5. 5. Double used for bigger decimal values, double precision. Example. 6. Double pi is equal to 3.14159. 7. Char used to store a single character. Example. 8. Char grade is equal to A. 9. Bool stores true or false values. Example. 10. Bool is passed is equal to true. 2. Derived data types. 1. Array, collection of elements of the same data type. Example. 2. int marks, 5, is equal to 90, 85, 80, 95, 100. 3. Pointer stores the address of another variable. Example. 4. int x is equal to 10. 5. int asterisk ptr is equal to and x. 6. Function block of code that performs a task. Example: 7 void greet, 8 count hello, 9. 3 user-defined data types. 1 struct groups different types of variables under one name. Example: 2 struct student, 3 int id, 4 char name 20, 5. 6 class used in OOP to group data and functions. Example: 7 class car, 8 public, 9 int speed, 10 void drive, 11 count driving, 12. 13. Easy tip. Remember, IFDCB is equal to int, float, double, char, bool, the most used basic data types in C++. Next important long question is: to elaborate all the control structures with syntax, flowcharts with examples. In C++, control structures help the program make decisions, repeat tasks, and control the flow of execution. 1. Decision control structures: if-else, else-if, switch. If statement executes a block if condition is true. If marks 40. Count passed. If-else statement chooses between two blocks. If marks is equal to 35. Count pass. Else. Count fail. Else if ladder, multiple conditions. If marks is equal to 90. Count grade A. Else if marks is equal to 75. Count grade B. Else. Count try again. Switch statement used for fixed choices. int day is equal to 2. Switch day. Case 1 count Monday, break. Case 2 count Tuesday, break. Default count invalid. Flowchart. Condition. Backslash. True false. Backslash. Block 1, block 2. 2 looping structures: for, while, do while. For loop runs for a fixed number of times. For int I is equal to 1, I happy smiley 5. I plus plus. Count I. While loop checks condition first, then runs. int I is equal to 1. While I happy smiley 5. Count I. I plus plus. Do while loop runs at least once. int I is equal to 1. Do. Count I. I plus plus. While I happy smiley 5. Loop flowchart. Start condition. True body condition. False end. 3 jump statements. Break exits loop switch. Continue skips to next iteration. Return exits a function. Easy tip. If else decides, loops repeat, jump controls exit. Control structures make your program smart and powerful. Next important long question is: 3. What is an array? Demonstrate with example program how to perform binary search on an array. What is an array? An array is a collection of similar data items stored in continuous memory locations. You can store multiple values of the same type using a single name. Example: int marks 5 is equal to 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here marks 0 is equal to 50, marks 1 is equal to 60, marks 4 is equal to 90. What is binary search? Binary search is a fast way to search in a sorted array. It keeps dividing the array in half and checks whether the value is on the left half or right half. Condition: array must be sorted, ascending order. Binary search logic. 1. Find the middle element. 2. If the element is equal to target found. 3. If target middle search left half. 4. If target middle, search right half. 5. Repeat until found or array is over. Example program. Hash include IOStream. Using namespace std. int binary search, intr, int size, int key. int low is equal to 0, high is equal to size 1. While low happy smiley high. int mid is equal to low plus high 2. If mid is equal to key. Return mid element found. Else if mid key. Low is equal to mid plus 1. Else high is equal to mid 1. Return -1 not found. int main. intr is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. int size is equal to 5, key is equal to 30. int result is equal to binary search, size, key. If result is equal to -1. Count element found at index, result. Else count element not found. Return 0. Output. Element found at index 2. Easy tip. Array is equal to many values. Binary search is equal to divide and find fast. Use binary search only when the array is sorted for better performance. Next important long question is 4. What is sorting? Explain bubble sort with a program suitable example. What is sorting? Sorting means arranging data in a specific order, ascending, small to big, or descending, big to small. Example. Before sorting 40, 10, 30, 20. After sorting 10, 20, 30, 40 ascending. Sorting makes it easy to search, analyze, or display data. What is bubble sort? Bubble sort is a simple sorting technique. It compares two adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. It repeats this process for all elements until the array is sorted. Biggest elements bubble up to the end of the array like bubbles in water. Bubble sort logic. 1. Start from the first element. 2. Compare it with the next element. 3. Swap if needed. 4. Repeat this for all elements. 5. Do the same for remaining unsorted part. Example program. Hash include IOStream. Using namespace std. Void bubble sort, intr, intn. For int I is equal to 0, in1, I++. For int j is equal to 0. jni1, j++. If j plus 1. Swap the elements. int temp is equal to j. j is equal to j plus 1. j plus 1 is equal to temp. int main. intr is equal to 25, 10, 5, 30, 20. int n is equal to 5. Bubble sort, n. Count sorted array. For int I is equal to 0, in, I++. Counter, I. Return 0. Output. Sorted array, 5, 10, 20, 25, 30. Easy tip to remember. Bubble sort is equal to compare plus swap plus repeat. It's very simple but slow for large data. Good for learning and small arrays. Next important long question is 5. Explain concepts of object-oriented programming with proper examples. What is object-oriented programming, OOP? Object-oriented programming, OOP, is a programming style based on the concept of objects, which are real-world things like a car, fan, student, or mobile. Each object has data called attributes, functions called methods to work on the data. OOP is used to write code in a way that is organized, reusable, and easy to understand. Main concepts of OOP. 1. Class. Blueprint or template for creating objects. Class student. Public. String name. int age. Void display. Count name is age years old. 2. Object. Real instance of a class. Student S1. S1.name is equal to Ali. S1.age is equal to 20. S1.display output Ali is 20 years old. 3. Encapsulation. Wrapping data and functions into one unit, class. Keeps data safe from outside access. 4. Abstraction. Hides complex code and shows only important things to user. Example, you drive a car without knowing how the engine works. 5. Inheritance. One class inherits, gets, features of another class. Class animal. Public. Void speak. Count animal speaks. Class dog, public animal. Public. Void bark. Count dog barks. 6. Polymorphism. Same function behaves differently for different objects. Class shape. Public. Void area, count shape area. Class circle, public shape. Public. Void area, count circle area. Benefits of OOP. Modular code, easy to manage. Code reusability, inheritance. Data security, encapsulation. Easy maintenance. Easy tip to remember OOP concepts. KPIP class, abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, and object. OOP makes C++ powerful and easy to handle real-world problems in programming.